Did you know over 2,000 vehicles are stolen per day in the United States? If your vehicle is stolen, your insurance settlement will probably be much less than the actual cost of replacing your vehicle. The result can be costly, both financially and time spent. At NAS, we understand that vehicle theft occurs no matter how careful you are. That's why we offer our Vehicle Replacement Guarantee Program, coverage that applies to financed, cash, and leased vehicles. Here's how it works. If your vehicle is declared a total loss due to theft, this coverage will pay up to $50,000 to replace it with the same make and model instead of the depreciated value of your totaled car. For example, if you purchased a new vehicle in 2021 that was $35,000 and in 2024 it is declared a total loss due to theft, and let's say your insurance settlement is $10,000, your replacement vehicle, a 2024 year model, cost is $40,000. The program will pay the difference of $30,000 plus your deductible up to $1,000, rental vehicle, registration fees, sales tax, and dealer-installed aftermarket options. Our team and technology will support you every step of the way. Ask your finance manager about Vehicle Replacement Guarantee from NAS.